Hi, how's everybody doing? I'm Sonya with Off Grid with Dave and Sonya. Today we are going to be breaking out with our rocket stove. So we're going to be cooking some corned beef that we've canned with some potatoes that we've canned to make some corned beef hash. So come on along and watch and see how we prepare breakfast on our rocket stove. Alright, so once this gets going really good, you really shouldn't see a whole lot of smoke or anything coming out the top. I'm going to close this up and see how we're doing. A little bit of smoke there, but I think that's burning off the paper products that I had in there. You can see a little bit of the flames coming up there through the top. I think we're ready to throw our cast iron on. So what I've done is I've opened up my potatoes, and I like to just rinse mine a little bit because I really don't care for all that starchiness that's in there. So just put a little bit of water in there, give it a go shaky shake, and then it's ready. Oh, do you hear that? Isn't that awesome? This is all done with just twigs and stuff that I find when I'm walking around my yard. Got a pretty good bit of wind going out here today, so I apologize if you guys are hearing the the wind going across that microphone. Hopefully you can kind of figure out what we're doing. We're going to add the onions into the pan now. Because the potatoes have sucked up a lot of the bacon grease, I'm going to add just a little bit more to my onions. While this is cooking, the onions are getting softened up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my little herb garden. I'm going to pick some fresh parsley and some, let me think, what else do I want? Probably some onion greens to cut up and put on there for some pretty coloring. Alright, so we have our potatoes done. The onions are sauteed up and soft. What I'm going to do is just throw in now the corned beef. Because this corned beef is already pressure cooked, all we have to do is just warm it up. This is one of the benefits that we absolutely love of canning, is that I can spend an afternoon, and cook up. It takes 14 pounds of meat to do one canner load. So one mess, couple hours in the afternoon, and I've got meals, especially when it's hot like this and you don't feel like heating up the house. You can come outside, crack this open, and the other night we did corned beef and cabbage. Today we have leftovers, so we're going to use this for our breakfast. To me, this is like a win-win, and you don't have to spend hours cooking this. Okay, so the corned beef and potatoes are warmed up completely. I'm going to try and see, we'll see how it goes, if I can throw me a couple of eggs in here so we can have eggs over the hash brown. Looks like we were successful with our egg. Let's go ahead and get plated with this. Look at that, guys. That was all cooked.